Okay. Assalamu alaikum. I am Arizinaitote and I'll tell you something about Jojo. Recently, a few days ago, right after I published Lisa Reacts after K-pop, whatever, Jojo had a loose tail. He had such a loose tail, it went to the right side. It wasn't straight put like this, it was a lot bended. I was really worried. So I really wanted to take him to the vet. But we haven't ever took him to the vet. And instead we let him recover. I thought that the bone would recover by itself. But now once he was walking and because of the cage, this tail feather, it has torn out of his body and it's separated now. This is Jojo's longest tailbone. Now, Jojo, I still touch him. He's still okay because parrots can regrow tail limbs. But yeah, it smells disgusting and it looks very nice. The hair, the leafy kind of look from the bottom and the top, it looks like a little plant. But anyways, I just wanted to share you this short story. Jojo's okay, thank goodness. Lisha's perfectly fine. She didn't lose anything. Allah Hafiz.